Bitcoin, big move is brewing today. It is Wednesday, August 21st. It's 8:51 a.m. Bitcoin's currently at $59,567. And today we have the FOMC minutes meeting here. And then Friday, we have Jackson Hole with Fed Chair Powell doing a speech. So we're in a volatile week. Today we're going to see some volatility, probably the rest of this week actually, going into Friday with all this macro stuff happening. And Bitcoin right now is at a key level. Looking at Bitcoin, we're on the 12-hour chart. We do have some momentum coming in. We're right below that zero line. We have the MACD bar going green. If we look at the daily chart, we do have a cross up with 3 consecutive MACD greens. And right now on the 12-hour chart, we have this market structure ribbon and the PSAR right below us, and the 786 around $58,500. So for Bitcoin, we need to hold that $58,500 level. If we were to break that, really the next line in the sand for me is around 57,850. And if we break that and we see continued momentum on those shorter time frames, there's a real possibility that we could come down to around 54K, potentially even 52.5. So definitely key level as far as where we're at with Bitcoin. It's squeezing into a tight range right now, and we need to see very limited downside, and we need to start to move up ASAP here, in my opinion. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. If we go to the 4-hour chart, we want to see a cross up on the stock RSI and TSI. We're above that zero line. So we want to check that 4-hour chart, see that momentum come up. 2-hour chart, we're getting closer to that cross up, and it does look like we're doing something similar to back here where we had our fall off and then we had our little like kind of inverse head and shoulders, and I copied this pattern over to here, and we're basically right on schedule for seeing a pop up. And what if we pop up to, where do we need to break above and hold with daily candle closes above? Ideally 60K for the first level, but I'd love to see a daily candle body close above 63K for us to really start getting momentum to the upside. And looking at the daily chart, we do have us breaking above this red market structure ribbon here, and we do have the 200 moving average as well too. So we have this yellow 200 exponential moving average that we've been getting held below this whole time, and then we have this 50-day moving average that we've been getting rejected by for the past week or so. So really getting above number one, this key level of like 60K, holding that support, but ultimately above 61.5K, but ideally 63K, because we have that 200 simple moving average right at that level as well too. So getting above there, holding as support is going to be key for Bitcoin to get out of this lull that it's in. Looking at something like XRP, on the daily chart, we do have a cross up above that zero line. We have some momentum coming right now, but it could be a little fake out action. We need to really watch this like a hawk. We do have a golden cross, but we have this macro 786 from the high that we set around 66 cents to the low that we had set around 43 cents. We're at that macro 786 right now at 60 cents. So we need to break above, hold there as support, and Bitcoin to work in our favor, and the drivers for us to really see some more positive action out of XRP. Looking at the pump dump chart on the left side, we have this trend line coming down. We need to get rejected by it, and we need to see that momentum start to roll over. Looking at the 12-hour chart here, we do have the TSI going lower, but we need to see it go below that zero line. Looking at the daily chart, momentum is red. We're heading lower, but we don't want to see like a pop-up like that. If we do, it might be just, a weakening moment before then going lower. But we're at this stage where it's about to kind of make its decision. We could be doing something like this and we just start to melt down. We have to watch very closely this week, because this is the week where it looks like it's about to make its decision. So that's what I'm watching, guys. Join the Discord. I'll keep you guys updated if anything changes in the market updates channel. Link is in the bio. Come join the Discord, and I'll see you guys there and in the next video.